Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a chocolate notebook at home. First, gather your essential materials. You will need about 1 pound of good quality melting chocolate, a silicone mold shaped like a notebook, and some parchment paper. Make sure your work area is completely dry and clean. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process and a beautiful final product. Next, let's prepare your chocolate. Gently melt about 3/4 of your chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring every 30 seconds. Aim for a temperature between 115 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, add the remaining 1/4 of unmelted chocolate. Stir continuously until it cools to 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving perfect temper for a glossy finish. Now it's time to give your chocolate its notebook form. Carefully pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into your clean, dry silicone mold. Make sure to fill all the details. Gently tap the mold on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth surface. Then, place the mold in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the chocolate to set completely. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious creation. Once the chocolate is completely firm, carefully unmold it onto parchment paper. You can use edible food markers or melted white chocolate to draw notebook lines and a binding. For extra flair, consider adding edible glitter or sprinkles. Your homemade chocolate notebook is now ready to be admired and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.